This is the test of the lighting for the Santa Fe Freight House. And this is the roadside view. And then I have to go vertical in order for you to see the other side. And this electrician's nightmare is hooked up. Here's the two light hubs that I got. And then they're joined with the expansion hub, and then I have the on-off switch here, so you'll see they're off, and then there's the power. So anyway, that's just the setup for this, and that little electrician's nightmare in there. All of these wires are planned to go down through holes, so I'm going to have two holes, one for each side. So but that's where it is now, and once this is all done, I got to put the roof back in. So that's it for now. Bye. Okay, here's the first test installation of the Santa Fe Freight House, and this is the roadside. And you'll notice I've got the people installed in there. My favorite part is the guy with the forklift, and that's from one of the Woodland Scenics kits. I got some people there. Eventually, I think this whole building, along with everything over here, is going to come up at least to the level of the masonite that's there. Now, you'll also notice the decals have been installed on the building, and these are loosely copied from the photo that I have of the Santa Fe Freight House that used to be in Dearborn Terminal in Chicago. So, but this is the, as I say, the roadside. So what I'll do now is I'll stop, I'll go turn the building around and let you see what the other side looks like. This is the track side, and like I said, I just flipped the building around, and it's got some more people on this side that you really won't see very often unless I put a camera on one of the cars, but I did want some people on there. And the lights will be hooked up eventually. They're all inside the building, the connections there are. And if I move these two, I can lift this up, and there's all the connections. And eventually they'll be at those square openings in there. That's where the holes will go down below for connecting up the rest of the just plug wiring system. And I'm not going to glue the roof down so I can get at this stuff if I ever need to. So the roof vents in those air conditioning systems that's all 3D printed, every bit of it. Make nice handles for that stuff. So, and as I mentioned, this is 3D printed, all the posts, the roof, both sides, and I mean, it was an incomplete kit, so that's where I got it. As I might add, that the backing for the decals that I printed, this is on Testors clear paper. There's a piece of styrene that fit exactly between these pilasters or posts, and then I painted that. Of course, it was styrene, white styrene, so I painted it to make sure it was really white, and then just printed out a bunch of the Testors decals, which seemed to work pretty good. So the final test will be when I get this building with the wiring connected. I got to work on this building. This is my next project, and then all the ones over on that side. So when all of that stuff is installed, holes drilled, wires connected, and such, then we'll do a full up test of all the lighting. I'm probably going to run trains rather than trying to address this back in here. It's good enough as it is now. I want to get back to running some trains. I got to clean the track. So, but this will be the next project building that I'm going to work on. This is totally 3D printed, and it's in different sections. There's this piece, which has a door that lines up with the ice walkway or whatever you want to call it. So, but anyway, this building, the Santa Fe Freight House, with all its doors and people and lighting installed, it's all complete. So thank you for watching. Bye.